In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reopen a Skrill account. First thing that we have to know here is if you want to reactivate your deleted Skrill account, we first have to contact support for Skrill. So to do that, you need to go ahead and open up any browser that you have on your PC and go on to skrill.com now. From here, you need to scroll down to the very bottom until you see this section here. So just click on the support link that you see here, and from here it's going to load up another page wherein you will be able to contact support. So in this case, since we are having problems on our account, just click on the account option here, and from here these specific articles or links will be available to you. So in this case, we want to contact support, so just click on the how to contact us option or link here, and from here you have the option to reach out to them. So they have the chat with their bot, some message them or calling them. So if you want to message them or call them, just choose the appropriate one here. So in this case, just click on message us, and from here it's going to load up another tab in your screen here, and as you can see, it's going to ask you different details about yourself. So that includes your name, your email address, the category, and the question. So in this case, you just want to include that you want assistance in recovering or reactivating your deleted scroll account.